Hello guys, so in today's video we are going to be making this natural lightening cream. Hi guys, you all are welcome to Vanessa Zone, and in today's video we are going to be making carrot cream. We are going to be making a natural lightening carrot cream using just carrot. So first of all, I'll just go ahead and peel this beautiful and wonderful carrot. You see how beautiful these carrots are. At the end of the day, by the time we finish making this cream, this is how beautiful and how fresh your skin is going to be. So I'll go ahead and I'll peel all my carrots just the way I'm doing. So after peeling all my carrots, I'll be getting a grater. I'm going to use this side of the grater to grate the carrots. Don't use the other side that is too small, because if you use the side that is too small, the carrot is going to come out too tiny, and we don't want it to be too small and we don't want it to be too big. So I'm going to be using this side, the side I'm using. So I'll just go ahead and grate all my carrots, and then we'll get to the next step. So it can be a little bit difficult grating the carrot, but just be patient and you will just grate the amount you want. And I'm almost done grating my carrots, and just keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching with me up to this stage. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please don't forget to click on the red subscription button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. So now I'm done grating my carrot. Just go ahead and get a jar. You can get a jar, a glass jar or a plastic container. Just get what at the end of the day you'll be able to cover your carrots. So that is what I'm doing. I'm transferring all the grated carrots into my glass jar. Just transfer everything in it, and then we'll just move to the next step. So all my grated carrots are in the jar. So now I'll be getting olive oil. Just get yourself the natural olive oil. Like I said, we'll be making everything natural. We'll be using carrots, and now we'll be using the natural olive oil. Just put in enough of the olive oil so that it will be able to cover up the carrots. You can use your spoon just to move the carrot down a little bit so that the olive oil will cover it up completely. That is just what I'm trying to do right now. I guess that is okay now. So I'll just go ahead and I'll cover this up. After covering it, I'm going to keep it for 24 hours. That is for 1 day. So we'll be coming to open this the next day. So here we are. Let me just bring out my jar of carrot. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, you can see that the color of the olive oil has changed. The carrot has come out, and I'll just get myself a clean bowl and I'll get myself a sieve. You can use this basket sieve or you can use the cloth sieve. What I'm trying to do here is just to squeeze out the juice or the liquid from the carrot. I think I'll just go ahead and use my hand. It will be more easier. I'll be able to squeeze out the carrot juice more. So I'll just turn everything into the basket and I will use my hand. So using my hand is much better. You can see that what is coming out of the carrot is not really oil. You can see that the color is different. The carrot juice is settling down while the oil is settling up. Wow, look at that. I squeeze out everything. So as you can see, the olive oil is a little bit up while the carrot juice is down. So let's get to the next step. Wow. You can use this on your body without getting into the next step. You keep this as your carrot liquid oil and you can use it on your body. So now you get your natural aloe vera. I got this from Amazon. You can buy the aloe vera gel from Amazon, or if you have any of the aloe vera plants at the back of your house, just scrape out the gel. That's just what we need. So I'll just be taking a little gel from this natural aloe vera yeah, I'll just get myself a bowl. I'll be putting in the aloe vera gel into the bowl. Yeah, so I get that quantity is enough. I'm just trying to show you guys the amount I was able to get out. It depends on how much you want your cream to be. For me, I think that will be okay. So the next step now, I'm going to be bringing my carrot oil. Yeah, here is my carrot oil, and I'm going to add the oil inside the aloe vera gel. Just add a little. Maybe when you mix it and it's too thick for you, then you can add. So I'll just be using this wicks just to like mix it up, just to wicks it, like mix it up. Yeah, that's just what I'm doing. Just keep on doing. Don't give up, keep on doing it. It's going to like, yeah, the result is going to come out very, very soon. You can see it's already changing, and yeah, it's becoming so perfect. Here we go, here we go. Keep on wixing it. Wow, look at what we got at the end of the day. Our cream is ready. Get yourself a container and transfer your cream inside the container. Look at how thick this is. It's just so perfect. It's just so perfect. Yeah, so I'll just transfer my cream now into a bowl for usage. Yeah. Our cream is ready. I hope you try this. Let me try it on my body. Ah, look at my body. I'm already glowing. This is so beautiful. So you can see how easy this is. Just get yourself some bunch of carrots, get yourself aloe vera, and you will have a cream. Yeah, you can go ahead and add skin oil if you want, but if you don't want skin oil, you can just use just the aloe vera and the olive oil. But skin oil also is good for the skin. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this stage. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. What do you think about this natural aloe vera cream? Will you be adding skin oil into your own, or will you just be using it like that? I really appreciate you all for watching, and it's Vanessa saying I'll be seeing you in my next video. For now, stay blessed and bye.